In this video today, guys, we're actually going to be talking about how to set up Streamlabs OBS on your computer, laptop, whatever. If you just want to actually stream directly to Twitch, this is your tips and tricks guide for you for things YouTube channel. So in this video today, we're going to actually be talking about it. So here we go. So we are on Streamlabs desktop. So first, what you got to do, you got to sign into your Twitch account like this. Log into your Twitch account. Just let you authorize, just like that. Just do it. Authorize. And you just gotta give it like a few minutes for it to log in. And then when you log in, here you are. You're right onto your Twitch account. So if you want to set up overlays, go to their overlays right here. So yeah, if you're just like starting out and you just want to select a just an overlay to start out. So yeah, you would select one of the ones that are free. So most of them are actually going to be under a paywall for premium on your computer. But yeah, here's all the selected overlays that you guys can also use as well for your content later on. So yeah, if you do want to upgrade to overlays, but most just starting out, you don't really have to start out with overlays. But if you do want to start out, you definitely select one of these overlays over here as well. For further ado, just be sure stream is connected to Twitch right there, and then be sure to also enable Twitch VOD. Definitely enable that. If you guys want to listen to copyright music, definitely have Twitch VOD actually turn. But if you don't want to, definitely run non-copyright music. When you do turn on the Twitch VOD, definitely make sure that some of the ones that you want to disable, definitely don't forget to actually turn them on and then leave the other ones off, because that can actually really affect your VOD. If you want to show your audio and your gameplay audio, definitely leave those on. But if you just want to have your music running, definitely disable like the audio area. You want to actually play your music so it's not in the VOD itself. And again, this is streaming and everything. And then here's your video. This is what I currently use. Yeah, here's the base resolution, scaled resolution, the common FPS values. 60 FPS, that's what I use. But if you have a lower downgrade computer, I would definitely use 30 or bilinear. If you have a really good computer like me, definitely go a little high. Try Uncros or Bilubic. Those are definitely the best ones that I would use. But hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new. I hope this video definitely did help you out, and I will see you guys in the next one.